Their arms reach out to me. Their eyes smile tenderly. Still in peaceful dreams I see the road leads back to you. Georgia, peace I find. Just an old sweet song keeps that Georgia on my mind, on my mind. Just an old sweet song keeps that Georgia on my mind. Sure. Good. All your dreams are made when you change the needle, the razor blade. Today's the day that all the world will sing. Another sunny afternoon, rocking to the sound of my favorite tune. Tomorrow never knows what it doesn't. Need a little time All right, this one's called Rosalie. Okay,
Yeah, I just haven't played that song forever.
Message me for the address.
I'll get through it.
I think you're a little out of tune.
Yeah, it was fun. Should be better this time. I had to put it through the choice. Not plugged in.
Rosalie waits between the pages of my memories. Angel of the ages, how the centuries bend to thee. Oh, I could die 100 times, forever try and never find such rolling peace over me, sweet Rosalie, graceful like the waves upon the seven seas, faithful in the ways that love was meant to be, blessed and free. Oh, I could fly a million miles and never find a thrill so wild. So woe is me. Go in peace, sweet Rosalie. La, 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 Rosalie, fate will only make me wait more patiently. Fate will only make me face my enemies. And my knees fall one by one in my command, while she and I stand hand in hand, my ghost and me. Ghost to me, sweet Rosalie, Rosalie, oh sweet Rosalie. I've lost my pen. Oh, there it is. What's enough? Oh, maybe Naked Night. Naked Night.
You sing that, Joe? That was beautiful. Wow.
What keys? What do you mean again?
Yeah.
That was heavy. Okay, lighten it up.
Here, we'll do that. We'll do that next time. Don't pass me by, and you can switch over. All All right. I'll do another original here.
I'm gonna listen out there. I love this song. I always
In my life from time to time, there's a sadness casting shadows in my mind, like an old familiar foe. I got it in the wrong key. Let me do that again. In my life from time to time, there's a sadness casting shadows in my mind, like an old familiar foe. And the ghost of it runs deeper than you know. So if I'm someone you don't recognize, if my face becomes a stranger to your eyes, don't pass me by. Don't pass me by. On my less than sunny days, there's the devil throwing troubles in my way. It's an old familiar pain you don't understand, and I cannot explain. But if you listen close and care to try, soft and clear you'll hear the child inside me cry. Don't pass me by. Oh no, no, no. Don't pass me by. If you keep me close and hold the line, try my best to let the worst within me die. Don't pass me by. No, 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 no. Don't pass me by. No, no, no. Don't pass me by. All right, I'm gonna do an old one that couldn't see it when he looked at his reflection. Could not feel it that he was dealing in the dirt. He wasn't bothered by the bones he broke, and every slab of stone to throw was just part of his chosen line of work. But the work, it took its time to drag him deeper. Yes, and time can take the motive from the man. He lost his drive to dream, to shoot, to kill, for stacks of $100 bills, 'cause he can't wash the blood off of his hands. He's singing, oh my, love is gonna let me in. I've got to ride on the stand strong and testify to shed my sin. Yeah. street. Street, let it rain and heaven let it wash away all my regret. Oh, heaven, what is to become of me? She's singing goodbye, Lord, to find my next of kin. I've got to leave love and stand up and testify and shed my sin. Little love gonna let me, little gonna testify, gonna shed my sin. Little love gonna let me, and I'm gonna testify, Little love gonna let me, and I'm gonna testify, gonna shed my sin. Little love gonna let me, and I'm gonna testify, gonna testify, gonna testify. Everybody's got a dirty little secret, a little skeleton to call their very own. We may whisper of it privately or just decide to keep it, but there comes a time we face it all alone. We're singing goodbye, goodbye, love is gonna let us in. We've got to earn on and stand stronger, testify and shed our sin. Little love gonna let me in, I'm gonna testify, gonna shed my sin. Little love gonna let me in, I'm gonna testify, gonna testify. Little love gonna let me in, I'm gonna testify, gonna shed my sin. Little love gonna let me in, gonna testify and shed my sin.
Yes.
I don't like you, but I love you. Seems that I'm always thinking of you. Though you treat me badly, I love you madly. You really got a hold on me. Oh, I don't like you, I don't wanna stay here, don't wanna spend another day here. Oh, I wanna split now, I just can't quit now. You really got a hold on me. You really got a hold on me. Baby, I love you, no, I want you to do is just hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. I don't like you, I don't wanna stay here, no, I don't
I got you.
Tuesday bittersweet, stand from this life. Try to make ends meet. You're a slave to the money, then you die. I'll take you down the only road I've ever been down. You know the one that takes you to the places where all the lanes will meet there. Oh, can't change, I can't change, I can't change, I can't change, but I'm here in my mood. I'm here in my mood. And I'm building different people from one day to the next. I can't change my mood. No, 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 no. I'll let the melody shine tonight on my knees. I need to see some signs that recognize the ghost in me. Oh, I can't change, I can't change, I can't change, I can't change, but I'm here in my world, I'm here in my world. I love a million different people from one day to the next. I can't change my mood, no, Bittersweet symphony.
You want to do the Billy Strings one? Maybe. Which one? The Billy Strings one, Not to Leave. Yeah, in my case. All right, I'm gonna do a Billy Strings too.
Alright. I may have to get up video of that.
Not to kill you, not to put you down. Seems like every way you turn was a hard wind coming down. Not to leave me, not to leave me here. Oh, the room is empty now, I can almost feel you near. What am I supposed to do with my afternoon? No, I won't hear your call. No, I won't see you soon. What can you say to me to ease this heart in pain? Could you send a ray of light? Come down and dry the rain again. I give you diamonds, give you rings and pearls. You can sail out with me and just hold on to the world. Feeling sorry for things I haven't said. night.